Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second subdivision in sixth question from exercise 5.2. The question is find dy by dx given x power y plus y power x is equal to log a. So let's take the first expression x power y. We will differentiate this function separately and then y power x separately. Then we will add it and then find out what is dy by dx. So let's start with x power y. I'm marking this as a function u. So u is equal to x power y. I'm going to take log on both sides. So log u is equal to y log x. Now we are differentiating on both sides. So this is going to be 1 by u du by dx. So here I'm going to treat it as uv, where u is the y and the v is the log x. So it is y by x plus log x dy by dx. So this is 1 by u du by dx, which means just du by dx is equal to u, which is x power y into y by x plus log x dy by dx. So I'm going to note this separately here for differentiation. Now the next step we will use this. So this is x power y by x plus log x dy by dx. Now I will take the second function y power x and differentiate it. I am terming this as v. So v is equal to y power x. So on taking log v is equal to x log y. Now we are going to differentiate with respect to x. So the left side will become 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, now treat this in the uv form or product form. So x is u, the log y is looks like v. So here this is x by y dy by dx plus log y. Now afterwards we need only dy by dx. So I'm going to take this v up. So this will be dv by dx is equal to v, which is nothing but y power x. So this is x by y dy by dx plus log y. Now we will write this out here. So this is y power x by y dy by dx plus log y. Now the right side, if you differentiate, a is a constant. So when you differentiate log a, it is going to be equal to 0. So let's write whatever we have done in the equation form right now. So this is x power y by x plus log x dy by dx plus y power x into x by y dy by dx plus log y is equal to, on the right side differentiation is 0. So I am marking it as 0. Now we are going to do term-wise multiplication. After that, we will collect all the dy by dx on the left side and take all the other quantities to the right side. So let's do this. This is x power y into y by x plus x power y log x dy by dx plus y power x into x by y dy by dx plus y power x log y is equal to 0. Now I'm going to collect only the dy by dx terms on the left side and move all the other terms to the right side. So let's do that. So in this case, it is going to be x power y log x dy by dx plus y power x by y dy by dx is equal to minus of x power y by x minus y power x log y. Next step, I'm going to collect the dy's outside. So dy by dx is equal to x power y log x plus y power x by y. This will be equal to minus of x power y by x plus y power x log y. Now that it is done, we'll try to simplify as much as possible before we write out the final answer. So this is dy by dx into x power y log x plus y power x by y. Now if you see y power x by y, I'm going to simplify in the next term. For that, let's remember the property a power m by a power n is a power m minus n. So let's try doing it in this side first. So minus of, here x power y by x can be written as x power y minus 1 into y. Now plus y power x log y. Now from this step, I'm going to move on the variables in the bracket to the other side. So dy by dx is equal to minus of x power y minus 1 y plus y power x log y, the whole thing divided by x power y log x plus y power x into x by y. I'm going to write it like this. So this will become y power x minus 1 into x. Now from this, we can leave it as such, or you can simply take an x and y in the numerator outside. So if I take the y outside from the numerator, so this will become x power y minus 1 plus y power x minus 1 into log y, the whole thing divided by x into x power y minus 1 log x plus y power x minus 1. So in the next video, we will find the solution for the third subdivision in this question. See you in the next video. Bye.